Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by acting quickly. Open Disk Management and locate the problematic disk so you know its number. Then open an elevated command prompt and run diskpart. Use list disk to verify which disk corresponds to the device. Once identified, confirm the media is physically present and reseat it. Card readers and USB hubs can hide media. If the disk reports 0 bytes, don't panic. Proceed with diskpart commands next to clear attributes and prepare the device. Now you execute the detailed commands. In diskpart type, select disk N, replace N, then attributes disk clear read-only so Windows can write. Next, run clean to remove existing partitioning and metadata. This resets the device. Create a new partition with create partition primary, then format fs equals ntfs quick or FAT32 for compatibility, and assign a drive letter with assign letter equals x. Once done, run rescan and list volume to confirm the partition appears, and finish by exiting diskpart and running chkdsk/f on the assigned drive to repair file system remnants. Then reboot to make sure changes persist. If Windows still shows problems, open Device Manager, update or reinstall storage controller and USB hub drivers, and then rescan for hardware. If the error remains, there is no media, try a different card reader or an external USB adapter to isolate hardware failure. If another reader works, replace the original. If not, the media itself is likely damaged and needs data recovery or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.